Hey, you! Yes, you. You seem a little upset. Having a hard time finding a parking spot, aren't you, kiddo? Well, you're not the only one. At the University of New Brunswick, the parking problem prevents students and other people from parking their vehicles. How to avoid this in 5 unrelated steps in a non-specific order. Step 1. Wake up early to snag that prime parking spot. What's this? It's 8:30 and it's all taken. Never mind, then. Step 2. Get aggressive at your parking. Oh, no. Well, be sure to avoid lawsuits. Remember, deny, deny, deny. Step 3. Get creative. How you gonna get out of this one, champ? Step 4. Walk to school instead of driving, but watch out for those aggressive parkers. And finally, step 5. Stop going to school altogether and become a recluse. There's always online classes. Hope these steps are helpful to you, kiddo. And if you don't have a car and none of this affects you, then why the f*** are you watching this video?